Chairperson of Nigeria Union of Journalists NUJ FCT Council, Comrade Grace Ike, don launch big development plans wey go help improve how journalists dey live and also make the union stronger. She tok dis one during the grand finale of the 2025 Press Week for Abuja, as dis na the first wey she dey lead since she enter office. For her speech, Grace Ike announced plenty plans like to modernize the NUJ Congress Hall, buy union bus, finish work on Pentagon Hall, start better welfare scheme for journalists, and build journalist village in collaboration with government housing bodies.
In the past year, we have witnessed extraordinary shifts in the global and local media space, advancement of technology, the rise of artificial intelligence, the deepening of social media influence, and unfortunately, the persistent challenges of disinformation, censorship, economic pressures, and threats to press freedom. In the face of these headwinds, members have remained resilient, holding the line, telling the stories that matter, and ensuring the public's right to know. And today, we pause to reflect on that labor, on our sacrifices, and on the many untold efforts behind every headline, broadcast, or byline. Yet, reflection must be followed by action. As a union, we must be more than spectators of change. We must be architects of progress. It is in this spirit that I unveil several key priorities projects, which we will pursue vigorously during this tenure. Initiatives designed to uplift, support, and empower journalists in the FCT. First, modernization of the NUJ FCT Congress Hall. We're also looking forward to the completion of the NUJ Pentagon Hall, a strategic infrastructure that will serve as a hub for conferences, workshops, and civic discourse. Establishment of a journalist welfare scheme addressing critical needs such as healthcare, emergency financial assistance, and social protection, because no journalist should suffer in silence.
The event also showed the presentation of Gender Advocacy and Leadership Award to the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Abbas Tajuddin, plus other important people and old-time journalists. For him keynote speech, Senator Umar Tanko Al-Makura, wey be the chairman of the occasion, tok say journalism na the conscience of the society, but he wan say digital wahala, AI, and fake news dey disturb the work of journalists and fit shake democracy. He come here and say make Nigeria get one national media plan wey go help fix the media sector.
Democracy is only worthwhile if it safeguards lives, protects rights, and promotes collective prosperity. These aims cannot be realized without a responsible and an unfettered press. Artificial intelligence, defects, misinformation, and algorithmic bias now threaten to displace fact with fiction and substance with spectacle. And nowhere is this more dangerous than in a fragile democracy. Let us institutionalize protection for media professionals, particularly those in conflict zones or on investigative beats.
Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Abbas Tajuddin, wey Honorable Patrick Umar represent am for the event, collect NUJ Gender Advocacy and Leadership Award, come use the opportunity to renew the National Assembly support for press freedom and gender inclusion. He hailed Nigeria journalists for their strong mind and hard work. He come also beg media make them support the reserved seats bill for women. The speaker talks say make newsroom put energy to verify news wella and build strong rules for digital journalism. He talks say the 10th House go work with media for better reforms.
The media remains indispensable in ensuring electoral transparency and civic participation. Over the years, journalists across Nigeria have demonstrated courage and professionalism in reporting elections, holding political actors accountable, and amplifying the voices of the marginalized. In a time when misinformation and political apathy threaten democratic gains, the vigilance of the press remains our strongest safeguard. As lawmakers, therefore, we do not take this for granted. We recognize the media as both a watchdog and a partner in our shared mission of building a transparent and accountable democratic order. As part of our commitment to transparency and open governance, the 10th House of Representatives introduced citizen-focused innovations such as the Open NAS Legislative Citizenship Roundtable and expanded live streaming of plenaries.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifeme Onosimo, TMC News.